Hello everybody, welcome to my class. Today I am going to do a problem from height and distance for optional mathematics grade 10, and here you can see that the problem states that from a place at the ground level in front of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top and bottom of a flagstaff 6 meter high is situated at the top of a tower are observed as 60° and 45° respectively. Find the height of the tower and the distance between the base of the tower and the point of observation. So in this question we can see like this is the height and distance problem from grade 10 SC Nepal, and here from a place on a ground. So let's suppose that this is the ground and this is the place, and there is one tower. You can see here this is one tower. You can make tower if you like, otherwise not needed. We require only the geometrical figure, and on this tower there is a flag. Okay, there is a flag. It's okay. And height of this flag is given as, you can see here, this is 6 meter. All right, this is 6 meter, and you can check here that the angle of elevation from the same point for this flag is, you can see here, it is 60°, top of the flag, and also to the bottom of the flag is how much? It is 45°. It's okay. So let's draw a kind of reference line about this. Okay, it must be a straight line. Okay, so in that case let's take a scale or using your freehand sketching like that. So make the figure like this. So I joined from here to here, and then from the same point you have to go to the top of this flag stuff here, and then you join this also. It's okay. And according to the question, you can see that this angle is given as 45° towards the bottom of this flag and the top of the tower, and this angle is, in fact, this is 60°. It's okay. And now what it is asking you to find that find the height of the tower. So say height of the tower as, you can call this as y, height of the tower as y, and next is the point of observation. So point of observation is this, you can call this as O, and also it is A, and it is B and C. You can see here that. So suppose OA as x centimeter. It's okay. And now if you see the total length from here is the flag is already 6 meters, so, and this is y meter, so the total height is 6 plus y meter from ground to top of this flag. So in this case you have to find the value of x and y. So what you can see in this case is that we have two triangles, that is two right angle triangles. So we take the value of x and y by using both the right angle triangle. And yes, so you can call here that in triangle OAB, that is the right angle triangle. This is the ratio of actually base, perpendicular and base. That means that will be given by the trigonometric ratio tan. So we are taking tan of this angle 45. So tan 45° equals to here. You know that this is the ratio of perpendicular and base. Then for this triangle, the perpendicular is, you can see here, this height is y, and base is, in fact, this is x, and you know the value of tan 45° as 1. So you have to remember these values of tan sine, cosine, etc. And then you put here 1 equal to y over x. That means it gives you y equals to x. You call this as equation 1. Now let's go to this big triangle. So what you can say now, that in triangle OAC, that is the right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle, and this is also right angle triangle. So that we can use the trigonometrical ratio to that right angle triangle. So here in this triangle I am taking the reference of this angle 60 degree. So what you can write here is that tan 60 degree equals to, again P by B, ratio of perpendicular, but in this case the perpendicular is AC. In fact here the perpendicular is AC and the base is the same, that is OA. And you know that tan 60 degree means, if you remember you can write it directly, otherwise you know sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So 2 and 2 in the denominator, in that ratio will cancel out. So you're left with only root 3. So tan 60 degree is here root 3, and AC you can see here this height is 6 plus y meter, and OA you can see that as x. And after that what you can do, actually let's apply x to over here. So this is, if you cross multiply, then this is root 3 x equals to 6 plus, in place of y you can write also this is x. So where did you get that from? You got it from by using 1. Okay, this one. Now let's do simple algebraic sort of thing. So it is now root 3x and minus this is x equal to 6. That gives you, in fact it is x if you take common. So this is root 3 minus 1 x equals to 6. So if you keep your answer in term of root or something like that, that is called the exact answer, but you do not require that at this moment. Just we write the answer close to the one significant or two significant decimals. And after that your x value is going to be here 6 divided by under the root 3 minus 1. And let's take a calculator. This is good to have a calculator. And so here you can see, here it is what we require, 6 divided by, here 6 divided by, as we are taking both the term together, so better we use the bracket, and this is root 3. So this is root 3 and then minus this is 1 and then close the bracket equal, and this value is 8 point, what you can see here is that this value as 8.19 and something like that. So what you can see here is that this is to one significant decimal, this is nearly equals to 8.2 meter. Is okay. So what we have got, actually this distance OA. So let's check what we have answered till now. So point of observation, so we have got the point of distance between the point of observation and where the tower is standing. Yes, so this is one of the answer. So this is the distance from the point of observation, and this is the answer. So we got the answer for the second part here. Now what you have to find, actually that find the height of the tower. Height of the tower means we have to find this length. It's okay. So therefore height of the tower is, in fact it is AB. AB equals to, you have y, and we have, so here as height of this tower equal to this distance by using 1. So x value we have 8.2, and therefore the height is also, height of the tower is also 8.2 meter, and this is the answer. Okay guys, this is all for now, and thank you for watching.